audible, but will. A very good morning to everyone assembled here. I am Dr. Janki Agarwal from Department of Commerce and Economics, B.A.M. Khalsa College, Garshankar, the galaxy of intellectuals, Your Excellency, invited guests, teachers, and my dear students. How different is this morning? Indeed, very wonderful. The vibes around tell us a beautiful tale, which is truly unforgettable. First of all, I accord a genuine welcome to everyone present here. We all have gathered here on the second day of seminar, Business Intelligence with Intelligent Computing, organized jointly by Department of Computer Science and Department of Commerce and Economics of B.A.M. Khalsa College, Garshankar, and Institution of Engineers, Punjab and Chandigarh State Centre. I request Engineer Sukhveer Singh Mundi, Chairman, Punjab and Chandigarh State Centre, Professor Dr. T.S. Kamal, Fellow, Council Member and former Vice President of Institution of Engineers of India, Professor Dr. Baljeet Singh Khara, Fellow of Institution of Engineers, Honorary Secretary, Punjab and Chandigarh State Centre, and Principal of B.M. Khalsa College, Garshankar, a worthy Chief Guest, Professor Dr. Arvind Kalia, Dean of Studies, Himachal Pradesh University, Shimla, Professor Kamar Kulwant Singh, B.M. Khalsa College, to kindly proceed towards the dais. Chandigarh State Centre, to kindly present a bouquet to our chief guest, Professor Dr. Arvind Kalia, Dean of Studies, Himachal Pradesh University, Shimla. By Engineer Sukhveer Singh Mundi, our worthy chief guest, Dr. Arvind Kalia, Dean of Studies, Himachal Pradesh University. Now I would request Engineer Sukhveer Singh Mundi, Chairman, Institution of Engineers of India, Punjab and Chandigarh State Centre, to present a welcome address to the gathering.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's my proud privilege to welcome you all on the mandatory session of today's seminar on business intelligence with intelligent computing, co-organized by the Institution of Engineers India, Punjab and Chandigarh State Centre, and Department of Computer Science and Application, and Department of Commerce and Economics of B.A.M. Khalsa College, Garshankar, under the aegis of Computer Engineering Division Board of Institution of Engineers India. Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Dr. Arvind Kalia, Dean of Studies, Himachal Pradesh University, Shimla. Keynote speaker, Dr. Gaurav Kumar, Director, Magna Search and Consultancy Service. Dr. T.S. Kamal, former Vice President, Institution of Engineers, India. Professor Kamar Kulwant Singh, Associate Professor, B.A.M. Khalsa College, Garshankar. Council members, committee members, faculty members, brother engineers, distinguished guests and speakers, members of organizing and technical committee, students, ladies and gentlemen. I again welcome our chief guest and guest of honor who have spared their valuable time to grace the occasion and accepting our invitation. And thank you very much. Have a nice day.
unavoidable circumstances, our guest of honor for today, Dr. Gaurav Kumar, Director, Magma Research and Consultancy Services, won't be able to make it to the venue, so he will be presenting online. Dr. Gaurav Kumar is the founder, director, and promoter of Magma Research and Consultancy Services, Ambala, India. His credentials integrate MCA, MPhil in Computer Science, MTech, IT, PhD in Computer Science, LLB, and IBM Certified Associate Developer. He possesses more than 20 years of experience in teaching, industry, and research. He has published many articles and research papers as main author in international magazines, journals, newspapers, and conferences. He is associated with number of international periodicals as editor, reviewer, and member of advisory panel. He possesses international certifications in data science, Python, blockchain programming, machine learning, software testing, quantum computing, and related technologies from corporate and academic organizations, including IBM, Google, Essential, IIT, and many others. He is associated as jury and evaluator in different national level competitions and events under Government of India. Now I would like to invite Dr. Gaurav Kumar to add glory in the sensation and to develop the skill of excellency. Dr. Gaurav Kumar. So please.
Thank you, ma'am. To the organizing committee and dear participants, we are starting in this session and I am sharing my screen. So, dear all, kindly confirm is it audible and visible to all of you? Whether screen is visible and you are getting audio clearly?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. So, in this particular session, we will discuss about the market of business intelligence and along with that different perspectives with this particular domain, including data analytics, data science, SQL. So different technologies and what about different skill sets, how to learn, how to go for those skill sets, and without joining a particular costly or professional course, we can learn such technologies at our own level. Okay, so we discuss about those platforms which are available in free distribution for all, and in very less time span, we can enrich our skills in business intelligence, intelligent computing, and data analytics. So as you can see that few portals, few news reports we have fetched here, and you can see that what is the market value, what is the status of current job market in data analytics and business intelligence. Okay, and if you will see scenario of India, so average salary of an employee associated with data analyst or data scientist or and along with that business intelligence, because these technologies, these things are interrelated. So if we are discussing about business intelligence, definitely we have to use data analytic tools. Okay. So as you can see that what is the status of job market in international scenario as well as in India. So monthly salary, you can see that. What is the scope in international scenario? And most of these jobs are available in remote. Okay, so in online mode, we can join different organizations, we can work on different freelancing projects, on different research projects, we can be associated. And if we are checking about specific portals which are related to Indian region, you can see that how much salary they are providing 14 lakhs per annum. So these are few reports and job feeds. So starting from 20 lakh per year. Top level organizations, I think you might have heard about of big four companies like KPMG, Ernst and Young. They are paying in huge, even more than 5 crore, 6 crore package also being paid to business intelligence experts or data science experts. Okay. So you can see on Monster, you can see on Naukri and Indeed, LinkedIn jobs, so many opportunities available in this particular segment of work from home. So we should use this particular opportunity. We should go for this particular domain with expertise. Now we are shifting to that particular scenario, which technologies we should learn, whether we are teachers or students or research scholars. When this particular term comes in picture like business intelligence, data science, data analytics, we think that we have to join some professional courses, we have to join some costly courses from some corporate giants, which is not true. We can learn these technologies at home without paying anything. Huge resources are available in this particular segment. So first of all, you will see those technologies in which we should be having expertise. And there is another very common misconception that we should be very much expert. We should be having huge expertise in statistics. We should be having very good knowledge of mathematics. Okay, that is fine. But with basic knowledge of statistics, with initial level of knowledge in data analytics, we can present ourselves as business intelligence expert, as data analytics expert. So very quickly, we will see some tools and technologies on which we should be having proficiency. So one of the very powerful tool is provided by Microsoft, that is Power BI. When we discuss about these technologies like Power BI, Tableau, or Adobe, I will discuss those points also. And we think that we should join some particular course, we should join some particular certification. Okay, there is no need of any specific certification. It is only misconception that we will take some certifications from here and there, from Udemy, Coursera, EDX, or anywhere, and then we will be having job. Okay, this is not true. We need only expertise. We need only knowledge in that particular domain. Okay? And you can see that Microsoft Power BI, very powerful tool and completely graphical user interface based, completely GUI based. And its free variant is available for all. However, it is a proprietary software by Microsoft, but it's available for students, for teachers in complete free distribution. I have also installed it, so very quickly you will see how to work on such technologies. So you can see that Power BI desktop is free platform available. No need to subscribe anything. Simply with its online documentation, with some online resources, we can learn this particular technology. So I am opening this platform, that is Microsoft Power BI, and if you know only school, in that case also you can join any organization as a data analyst or as BI expert. So you can see that I'm opening. So very quickly I will show 2 to 3 things because of limitation of time. So is it visible to all of you? Kindly confirm. It is visible to all participants. so you can see that completely GUI based, as simple as working on MS Word, as simple as working on MS Office applications. But you can earn in lakhs, you can earn in crores, in millions we can earn if we are having expertise in such tools. Okay, so you can see that how to connect different data sources. If we want to connect it with some cloud application, that is also available. Different types of visualization. So very quickly we will see it. So for example, I am taking some Excel sheet, okay, which is sales report, and I am also using its free variant. Okay, it is not proprietary edition. So as a student, as a faculty, as an academician, as a practitioner, you can use it. Okay, so whether which type of operation you want to perform, transforming this particular data set or directly loading. So you can see that. So what is my purpose to show you this particular interface? Just to make you comfortable in data science. Just to make you aware that it is as easy as working on software media or MS Office based applications. You should not be having panic that Power BI is available, then it will be very, very difficult. We should be having some certification or we should join some course. No need to join any third party course. Simply take online resources and directly in few days, not in few weeks, in few days, we will be proficient in individual toolkits. Okay, so which type of operation you want to perform? You can see. Query formats are already available. Directly we can import, and after that we can work on different visualizations, integration with R, integration with Python, MATLAB, with different other programming platforms. We can interface. So you can see that this is the data set. And you can see that I have not written even a single line of code till now. I am not scripting anything. We are working in GUI mode. Okay, so this is data set. If we want to plot something, if we want to visualize, if we want to integrate with R language, with Python or any other platform, it can be done very easily. Okay, so which type of plot we want to take? So simply click and plotting will be done. Add data field. Which type of data fields we want to add? Okay, and you can see that. In most of the jobs related to business intelligence, data science, data analytics, this tool is mandatory, Power BI. Okay, so if you are a student or if you are a fresher or ready for placement and interested in this particular domain, data science, business intelligence, then you should be having proficiency. And in maximum 10 to 15 days, you can have proficiency. Maximum 10 to 15 days. Not in 2 months, not in 3 months. In few days, you can learn Power BI. In few days, you can learn Tableau. In few days, 3 to 4 days, you can work on Python 8OT. Okay, which type of interfacing we want to use. So you can see that. And by learning these platforms, you can join any top level organization. Even Google is also hiring data experts, business intelligence experts. Microsoft is also hiring, Accenture, Infosys, and they are paying in millions. And what we have to do, this type of task, this type of operation, as simple as working on MS Excel or any GUI based application. So this is one platform that you can explore and its free variant is available, but its major point is that you should be having at least Windows 10. If you are having Windows 7 or any historical version of Windows, in that case, Power BI free version will not run. Power BI free edition will work only in Windows 10 and above. Okay. So you can download it and its complete documentation available. Second platform that is also very, very powerful in this particular domain of business intelligence, that is AOT. AOT. Python AOT. Python AOT, very powerful platform for business intelligence, for data analytics. Generally, it is discussed that in business intelligence related to Python, we have to work on pandas, we have to work on machine learning, we have to work on scikit-learn. But there is a specialized package in Python dedicated to business intelligence. You can see that BI analytics boost with Python AOT, free and open source. And in maximum 4 to 5 days, not months or weeks, in maximum 4 to 5 days, you can have proficiency in this particular technology. No need to be involved in very rigorous courses, because nowadays we are in that era where we have to learn quickly, apply quickly, and get return on investment. Okay. However, whatever time we are investing in learning, that is also an investment. Okay. So quickly learn, apply, test, and move to the market. Otherwise, what happens if we are joining some particular courses of months, of so many weeks, after that particular span, we come to know that this technology is obsolete. Now everybody is knowing this platform. Now everybody has done work on Power BI or AOT or Tableau. So to complete the current scenario, we have to be very, very fast in learning and earning. Okay. So you can see that each and everything is available in this platform. And which type of interfaces are available, by which way we can work on data analytics, on business intelligence using AOT. You can see that in this way. Its complete documentation is available. Detailed documentation available on official portal. And even the online course managers, online course companies, they are not offering AOT. So we should keep on exploring new platforms and learn quickly, so that we should be having an edge in market, whether you are fresher or you are trying to migrate from one job to another job. So you can see that as far as this official documentation is concerned, it is available here. So you can see this URL aot.io, and if you want to install it in your system, you can install, you can work directly. So you can see that different types of data views we can generate, different types of reports we can generate, which are associated with business intelligence. So in this way. And with simple query, if we are writing a query in this way, and very attractive results, very user-friendly outputs we will be getting. Okay. So if I want to, so I will show you this part very quickly. So in my system, I have already installed it in Anaconda. So in Anaconda prompt. I will show you how to work on Adobe. This is my Anaconda prompt, and without taking so much time, very quickly we will cover it, by which way we can work on business intelligence using Adobe platform. So meanwhile, my Anaconda prompt will start. So different types of simulations, what we can, by which way we can generate data set, by which way we can work on different types of applications. Okay, so you can see that I'm opening my Anaconda prompt to show you a quick demonstration. So you can see that this is my system, and in Anaconda prompt, so obviously to work with Python, we prefer working in Anaconda prompt. So on desktop, I will move, and now I will write Jupyter. So in this way. So you can see that some code snippets I am using here, and the same Excel sheet I will use for analysis. This is the Excel sheet that I will cover in this session for quick demonstration, by which way we can generate BI-based reports. First of all, I am showing you that data set. So this is the data set. Please.
So please, I request you to wind up within 5 minutes.
Okay, ma'am, fine, sure. So very quickly, I will show you its interface, and as there is time constraints, so simply you can execute it, and you will see by which way we can run queries. Okay, so you can explore this platform, and tutorials are available, documentations are available, installation in few seconds, simply with some predefined instructions we can work. Okay, so now I am concluding this session as there is some time constraint, but my major motive was to make you aware about different technologies which we should learn, and by which way we can have expertise while working at home, learning at home, without spending so many months or without spending so many weeks on a particular course. Okay, so thank you to all of you.
Thank you very much,
Please.
sir. Thank you for sharing your profound knowledge with us. We feel honored to have Professor Dr. Arvind Kalia among us, who, in spite of his busy schedule, has graced the occasion. Now, I avail the opportunity to give you a glance of life events and accomplishments of a worthy chief guest, Professor Dr. Arvind Kalia, Dean of Studies, Himachal Pradesh University, Shimla. Professor Dr. Arvind Kalia has almost 34 years of experience. He did his BSc Electronics from Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra. He did his MCA from Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology and PhD from Punjabi University, Patiala. He has guided many research students. He has attended and presented papers in many national and international conferences and has published about 70 papers in national and international journals. He is the member of Board of Studies in Computer Science and Engineering in different universities. He is an expert member of All India Council of Technical Education. He is an expert member of Public Service Commission of different states. He remained expert member of Promotion and Review Committee of NDRI Karnal and member for computerization of Indian Institute of Advanced Studies, Shimla. He is life member of Computer Society of India, Mumbai. He is life member of Indian Science Congress Association, Kolkata, life member of Punjab Science Academy, Patiala. We feel privileged to have such a distinguished luminary among us. I request Professor Dr. Arvind Kalia to address the august gathering. Professor Dr. Arvind Kalia.
Engineer S.S. Mundi, Chairman IEI Punjab and Chandigarh State Center. Dr. Gaurav Kumar, Director, Magna Research and Consultancy Services, guest of honor for today's this session. Dr. T.S. Kamal, former Vice President, Indian Institute of Engineers, India. Dr. Baljeet Singh, Secretary IEI Punjab and Chandigarh State Center and Principal B.A.M. Khalsa College, Garshankar. Professor Gaurav Kumar Singh, convener of this seminar. Dr. Ajay Tata, co-convener. Research scholars, faculty members, students, and all present in this 2 days All India seminar. Dear friends, it is my great pleasure to be the part of this All India seminar on business intelligence and intelligent computing. First of all, I would like to congratulate the organizers who have successfully organized this event, and I was told that about 42 research papers were presented in these days and about 5 to 6 invited talks were there. I hope that this research will go a long way in this area of business intelligence and intelligent computing. And I am thankful to the organizers who have given me the opportunity to interact with you all. Dear friends, in this era of cutthroat competition, the success of any business organization is in the availability of data and timely information. You must have discussed during these days. Timely, with timely it should be correct also. Only then any business house can take proper decisions. Like if I say that when the computers were coming into the this era, the companies who have got the timely information like TCS, वो लोग एकदम एस्टेब्लिश हो गए बिकॉज उनके पास एक टाइमली इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल थी कि अब हमें इस फील्ड में जाना है. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि इन प्रीवियस डेज द बिजनेस हाउसेज वर नॉट सक्सेसफुल. They were very successful because of the availability of data. They processed the data in those days manually. With the advent of this technology, we are using the different tools for, you can say, analyzing the data. But in old days, the data was collected, it was processed manually with the help of tables and statistical tools. And at every level of management, the data plays the role. Like there are, you all know from business field, you are from business management side. Are they from management side? So there are 3 levels of management. At the bottom level of management, you are having transaction support system. At higher level, you are having MIS, management information system. And at the top level, you are having the expert system. And all these systems were existing before the, you can say, invention of computers. They were used manually basically. Nowadays, we are having bulk of data. आप लोग जो कंप्यूटर के लोग हैं या जो मैनेजमेंट से हैं, जब आपके पास कम डेटा था, we were using DBMS, database management systems. जैसे जैसे डेटा बढ़ता गया, हमने और इम्प्रूवमेंट करी and we who are using data mining tools. Now the data is available not even in text, it is available in pictures, graphs, photographs, all these are available. Then the requirement of fast processing is required. There we used computers and big data techniques for, you can say, processing this data. And can you imagine that about 2.5 quintillion bytes of data is generated every day? That means 2.5 into 10 to the power 18 bytes of data is generated every day. Can we imagine this? And the Walmart, only Walmart is handling 2.5 petabytes of data per day. That is 167 times the information available in US Library of Congress. 167 times data. And the volume of these business houses, data of business houses is doubled every year. It is doubled every year. So you can imagine how much data is available. अब उस डेटा के बेस पे आपने सिस्टम बनाने हैं और वो भी इंटेलिजेंट सिस्टम बनाने हैं. How you can handle those? Okay, whom you consider intelligent? स्टूडेंट से कुछ जानना चाहता हूँ, किसको आप इंटेलिजेंट गिनते हैं? Who is intelligent? बताएंगे कोई? जिसके पास नॉलेज होगी? Is it? नॉलेज किसके पास होगी? बोला था कोई? जिसके पास इंफॉर्मेशन होगी उसके पास नॉलेज होगी. और इंफॉर्मेशन किसके पास होगी? जिसके पास डेटा होगा. So when we are moving from data to intelligence, this is the you can say theme of the seminar, how we are making these systems intelligent. Basically we are gathering the data और उस डेटा को हम कितना फास्ट प्रोसेस कर सकते हैं to convert it to information and to knowledge and to intelligent. This is how we are trying to make the we are applying various, you can say, tools and techniques for intelligent computing, like genetic algorithms you must be studying. Then we are having AI tools which are making the systems intelligent and all these systems are using basically the data. And data is the base of, you can say, good data available, good information available is the success of the business systems. So this, you can say, the intelligent and what is intelligent computing? You must have discussed during the last 2 days that intelligent computing refers to the ability of the system to gather some knowledge from the data or experiments. Again, we are making intelligent systems from data only. That is, intelligent computing means किस तरीके का आपको data available है. Like आपको जो बहुत सारी calls आती हैं जब आप किसी shopping mall में जाके purchase करते हैं कुछ चीज, तो उसके बाद आपको promotional calls आती हैं कि आप हमारे पास ये नया product आया है, आप आके purchase कर सकते हैं. Basically उन्होंने आपका data लिया कि आपने ये चीज purchase की थी, फिर आपके वो algorithms को apply करके आपका interest जानते हैं और उसके base के ऊपर आपको calls करते हैं और उसके पीछे there is some processing. That processing is intelligent computing nowadays. जैसे जैसे system हमारे पास बनते चले गए, we are coining the new terms, but इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि ये terms पहले नहीं थी. पहले भी system intelligent थे, but वो copy pencil की help से थे और उस वक्त इतनी population नहीं थी और इतना data नहीं available था, इसलिए वो धीमा मतलब population की demand के हिसाब से हमें intelligent बनाना पड़ा. Same is now when we are using intelligent computing, we are making the business intelligence. We are making the intelligent business. Like अब business intelligence में भी आपने definitions पढ़ी ही ली होंगी इन दिनों, discuss भी कर ली होंगी. I will not go in the details. How the business intelligence systems are implemented? इनको हम implement कैसे करते हैं? The same method. You are having data. warehouses में store करते हैं, फिर उससे आप extract करते हैं by using various tools like genetic algorithms and AI tools. and there are basically 4 types of business intelligence users. कौन से होंगे? Anybody? Professional data analysts are there. They are the users. IT users are there. Head of the companies, they are using this business data, and the business users. And what are the advantages of business intelligence? Can you tell? Advantages क्या हो सकती हैं?
Profits to the companies in getting them to buy.
Yes. The basic goal of the company is to earn profit. अगर आपके पास टाइमली इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल है, आप डाइवर्सिफाई कर सकते हैं. आपको पता है कि मेरे को क्या प्रोडक्ट लाना है, मेरे को कितना सस्ता करके देना चाहिए ताकि कोई और कंपनी ज्यादा प्रॉफिट ना ले, मेरे को ज्यादा प्रॉफिट अर्न हो. ये सारी प्रोसेसिंग उस डेटा के बेस पे हम करते हैं. Another advantage is to boost the productivity. Another advantage is improve the visibility. These are few of the advantages. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ इसका एडवांटेज ही है. We are having disadvantages also. Anybody who can tell 1 or 2 disadvantages?
The ads that appear on a web page that you don't require.
Means the cost of system will increase. आपको उसके लिए कुछ cost तो लगानी पड़ेगी ना system को intelligent बनाने के लिए. Data processing के लिए nowadays the business houses are hiring business analysts who are having the knowledge of computing as well as the business. Analysis ज़्यादा करने की ज़रूरत है. So it involves cost. That is the disadvantage. Then another is complexity of the system. That is the disadvantage. Limited users are there. That is the disadvantage. Now if we talk the future of this, the trends are basically in BIR. Artificial intelligence is there, collaborative business intelligence is there, embedded business intelligence is there. So nowadays this is the upcoming topic, business intelligence, and I really appreciate the initiative taken by the organizers, and I hope that good research and quality research will be, you will be doing quality research in this area so that we can promote the business intelligently and can make our country more, you can say, self-reliant and self-dependent. I am once again, I will not take much of the time, I will once again thank the organizers for inviting me to interact with you and congratulate them for holding this seminar successfully. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your words of wisdom. Now I invite Dr. Ajay Datta, co-convener of this seminar and head of the Department of Computer Science and Applications, B.A.M. Khalsa College, Garchentra, to give the concluding remarks. Dr. Ajay Datta.
Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Arvind Talia ji, Dean of Studies at University Shimla, Professor Dr. T.S. Kamal ji, former Vice President, Institution of Engineers, India, Honorable Chairman, Engineer S.S. Mundi ji, respected Principal Dr. Baljit Singh Khera, Honorable Secretary, Institution of India, Punjab and Chandigarh State Centre, other dignitaries of IEI, respected staff members from my college, dear participants and students, good afternoon to all. It gives me great pleasure to address this closing session. Allow me first to convey the special thanks and appreciations to IEI, Punjab and Chandigarh State Centre for co-organizing this seminar on business intelligence and intelligent computing with the Department of Computer Science and Application and Department of Commerce and Economics of Babbar Atali Memorial Khalsa College, Garchentra. I believe that during these 2 days, all us have witnessed very fruitful discussions. In this seminar, we have learned a lot from the the keynote sessions delivered by the amazing keynote speakers. Research papers presented both in offline and online mode by very interactive scholars who have shared their hard work. Total of 40 papers and 6 abstracts who have shared their experiences. I also learned a lot from this seminar. Furthermore, I would like to share you have also learned more about from this seminar. We have gained a better understanding about the challenges and application of business intelligence and intelligent computing. I sincerely hope that through your presentation and discussion afterwards, all of us can contribute to solving the problems in the field of business intelligence and intelligent computing, already discussed by Professor Anvit Kalia ji. Even though the contribution may be small, but it is still valuable. I believe many good experiences have been shared and good lessons learned from this seminar. I wish to express my sincere gratitude to Professor Kanwar Kulwant Singh ji, Professor Gurpreet Singh Kalsi ji, and all the faculty members of both of the departments of my college who worked hard tirelessly to make this seminar successful. Finally, I would like to thank Engineer S.S. Mundi ji, Chairman, IEI Punjab and Chandigarh State Centre, Professor T.S. Kamal ji, former Vice President and Honorable Secretary Dr. Baljeet Singh ji for organizing this wonderful seminar and ensuring it proceeds smoothly. I would also like to apologize for any inconvenience that you might experience during this seminar. I am certain that you are all looking forward to getting back to your respective homes. So I thank you once again for your participation and wish you all a safe journey home. I hope that you enjoy your stay in beautiful city Chandigarh and as well as our seminar. And I do also hope we can meet again very soon in next BCCI, proposed BCCI 2. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Engineer Sukhpreet Singh Mundi, Chairman, Punjab and Chandigarh State Centre, Institution of Engineers of India, to present a memento on shawl to a worthy chief guest, Professor Dr. Arvind Kalia, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I request Professor Dr. Arvind Kalia to present certificates to the delegates. I also invite Engineer Sukhpreet Singh Mundi, Professor Dr. T.S. Kamal, Professor Dr. B.A.M. Professor Gaurav Kumar to speak forward for certificate distribution.
उधर ही है ऑफिस
I thank Dr. Arjun Singh, Dr. Balkrishan Singh, Dr. Rogini Sharma, Dr. Satinder Singh for their motivational views. I think the researchers have been enriched with knowledge by their views. Dr. Arjun Singh. First Dr. Arjun Singh, then Dr. Balkrishan. Dr. Rogini Sharma. Dr. Jitendra Singh Sani. I request Professor Conley to hand me over the list of please hand me over the list of presenters. First presenter was Amrita Sekhon from Punjabi University, Patiala. Uttamjeet Kaur, Vibhisharan Kaur College, Chamkaur, Sir. Next one, Jagmohan Kaur, IKG PTU Jalandhar. And she got the award for the best paper presentation. Amrinder Singh. Congratulations, ma'am, for your great achievement. Next is Amrinder Singh. Next, Ramanjot Kaur. Lovepreet Kaur. Next recipient will be Anjot Singh. Next, Dr. Kajal. Dr. Kajal. Next presenter with the appreciation certificate, Mr. Abhishek. Dr. Akashdeep, UIET Punjab University, Chandigarh. Dr. Rohit Kumar, UIET Punjab University, Chandigarh. Dr. Rohit Kumar. Ms. Rupinder Kaur, Shri Guru Granth Sahib World University. Ms. Silky Sachar, Punjab University, Chandigarh. Ms. Silky Sachar, Punjab University, Chandigarh. Dr. Sharda Arya, Shri Guru Gobind Singh College, Sector 26, Chandigarh. Dr. Anuj Kumar, Punjab University, Chandigarh. He was the chairperson for the session. Also Shakti Kumar, Mr. Shakti Kumar, Punjab University, Chandigarh. Dr. Anuj Kumar, Punjab University, Chandigarh. And next is Ms. Shali Garg, Punjabi University, Patiala. Dr. Chetna, Chitkara University. Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Baljeet Singh Khera, Honorary Secretary, Institute of Intelligence of India, Principal Indian Council College, to the vote of thanks.
Honorable Dr. Kalia, Dean of Studies, HP University, Shimla, Chief Guest of the Day, Dr. Gaurav Kumar, Director, Magma Research and Consultancy Services. Guest of the Honor of the Day, Dr. T.S. Kamal, former Vice President, Institution of Engineer India, Engineer S.S. Mundi, Chairman, Institution of Engineer India, Punjab and Chandigarh State Centre, Professor Gaurav Kumar, convener of the seminar, Dr. Ajay Datta, co-convener of the seminar, council members, committee members, Institution of Engineer Punjab and Chandigarh State Centre, faculty members and students of the various institutes, research scholars, good afternoon to all of you. On the behalf of Institution of Engineer Punjab and Chandigarh State Centre and B.A.M. Khalsa College Gadhankar, I express my gratitude to the Honorable Dr. Arvind Kalia. I thank you, sir, for being the chief guest on this occasion. I fully appreciate you for finding the time to be with us despite your tight schedule. My precious thanks to Dr. Gaurav Kumar for accepting our request to become the guest of honor for this occasion and to deliver the expert talk on business intelligence, data analysis, and various intelligence tools for data analysis. I thank Dr. Gaurav for the excellent speech he delivered today through the online mode and providing huge amount of knowledge related to data analysis tools. A big thanks to Dr. T.S. Kamal for motivating us to organize this seminar. With his appreciating ideas, I mention my sincere sense of gratitude to Dr. Kamal. I express my hearty gratitude to Engineer S.S. Mundi for providing a platform to jointly organize this seminar with B.A.M. Khalsa College Gadhankar. I also thankful to Professor Kamar Kulwant Singh, Dr. Janki Agarwal, Dr. Ajay Datta, Professor Gurpreet Singh Kalsi, and all other members of organizing team for their sincere efforts to organize seminar and design proceedings of the seminar. I also thank Dr. Jagtar Singh Sidia, Chairman, Institution of Engineer, India Local Centre, Bathinda, Dr. Stwinder Singh, Head Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Central University, Bathinda, Dr. Amar Pratap Singh, Professor, Department of Electronics and Communications, Light Longowal, Dr. Harsimran Singh, Professor, Baba Farid Institute of Engineering and Technology, Bathinda, for their contribution and support. I express my hearty gratitude to Dr. Arjun Singh, Professor, Punjabi University, Patiala, Dr. Balkrishan, Head of Department, Computer Science and Engineering, Yadvindra College of Engineering and Technology, Talwandi Sabo, Dr. Akashdeep Sharma, Professor, UIT Punjab University, Chandigarh, for their active participation. At the last but not least, I once again thankful to all the delegates, organizing team members, paper viewers, session chairpersons, paper presenters, and participants for presence and contribution to make this seminar a great success. I am confident this seminar will be very beneficial for us, for our society, and for our nation. Thank you all very much.
Thank you, sir. I congratulate the best paper presenters and their certificates were need to be distributed. Now I've got the list. Miss Jagmohan Kaur, Silki Sacha, Mrs. Ramandeep Kaur, Dr. Jasminder Kaur. I request Professor Dr. Arvind Kalia ji to present the certificates to these winners. congratulate all the best paper awardees. That concludes a remarkable, memorable, and knowledgeable event. National Seminar on Business Intelligence with Intelligent Computing on behalf of B.A.M. Khalsa College and members of Institution of Engineers of India, Punjab and Chandigarh State Center. I promise you that this may be the end of today's session, but undoubtedly this is a new beginning. Thank you very much. Now the national anthem will be played. I request everyone to stand up for the national anthem. So I request everyone to proceed for lunch. Thank you.
कर दे इकट्ठा।